A heat map Apple logo, liquid glass visuals, and a tagline which said, "Awe dropping." The translation? This year is about design plus thermals plus reliability with one audacious new form factor front and center. On September 9th, Apple is set to unveil 4 iPhones, including a super thin iPhone 17 Air, AirPods Pro 3 with real time translation, and iterative but useful watch updates. Fewer moonshots, more things that just, well, work better under load. Apple is likely to swap the Plus for an ultra thin 5.5 class Air, which is 6.6 inches, 120 Hz OLED, A19 family silicon, single 48 megapixel rear in a pill bump, and eSIM only build that prioritizes thermal efficiency that can be read as, well, this: less throttling in bright sun, better sustained shooting slash gaming. Also, expect a signature light blue finish. It's a design statement first, iconic, likely niche. Let's now bring our attention to Pro and Pro Max. This could be Apple's first meaningful Pro redesign since 2020. A wide camera shelf, aluminum backslash frame for better heat dissipation, bigger batteries, A19 Pro, and the camera stack goes all 48 megapixel, including a sharper telephoto with higher optical zoom. Experts predict that new Pro colors include orange slash copper and dark blue. As far as the practical win, more stable brightness and fewer overheating cutoffs during long 4K shoots. The base iPhone 17, well, no radical look, but a bump to 6.3 inches and promotion, promotion at last. This alone will drive mainstream upgrades that skipped 16. Next up is AirPods Pro 3, where we can expect a slimmer case with capacitive pairing area, a new chip for better ANC, in-ear heart rate trickle down from Beats, and the killer software trick: live translate for in-person conversations, tied into Apple Intelligence on iOS 26. If latency plus mic pickup are tight, this becomes a travel essential. Then we have Ultra 3, larger, brighter LTPO display with thinner bezels, S11 class silicon, satellite SOS texting, and 5G red cap aimed squarely at endurance, outdoor use. Hello, Garmin. Series 11, brighter screen, color band, the band refresh, incremental internals. On the SC front, well, it moves towards the Series 7 look with bigger displays. Hypertension features, if they appear, will be trend alerts, not clinical readings. The invite's heat map vibe isn't random. Apple's quietly optimizing for sustained performance. Aluminium on Pros, vapor chamber chatter, larger batteries, so creators slash gamers get longer bright screen shooting, fewer thermal dimming events, and room for heavier liquid animations without stutter. It's a year of fit and finish wins. You'll feel daily, not a scattershot of half baked AI promises. Meanwhile, expect AI talk in passing, but don't bank on the full Siri reboot on keynote day. Apple's bigger move? Well, that's world knowledge answers, a Siri integrated answer engine with multimodal web lookups is slated for a later iOS 26.x wave. Apple is even testing Google's Gemini for summarization while keeping on device private bits in house. Time for hardware leads now. Well, Assistant Smarts follow. For the first time, Apple is set to build all four iPhone 17 models in India from day one, including the Pro/Pro Max, anchored by Tata's Hosur and Foxconn's Bengaluru hub. April to July, exports hit $7.5 billion, signaling India's rise from late cycle assembler to tier 1 production node. This also buffers US supply against tariff shocks. Apple plans to fulfill a large share of US demand from India, and the retail flywheel just spun faster. After Mumbai, BKC, and Delhi, Saket, Apple opened Apple Hebbal, Bengaluru. That was on the 2nd of September. And Apple Koregaon Park, which opened in Pune on the 4th of September, within days. Multilingual staff, Apple Pickup. Today at Apple sessions, including Apple Intelligence intros and dedicated business teams for startups/small and medium businesses, Bengaluru plants Apple in India's development capital. Pune taps a high-income student dense corridor. The creators slash mobile videographers, gamers, Go 17 Pro, Pro Max for thermals, bigger batteries, and the 48 megapixel telephoto jump. Design led buyers slash light users. Well, that's the 17 Air, is the feel phone, stunningly thin, likely lighter, accept the trade offs. Everyone else on 13 and 14, the base 17 with Pro Motion is finally worth it. Pricing chatter points to about 89,900 rupees starting in India. Air is, well, Air in $899 to $949 band. Pro Max near about $1,099 slash about $1,199. Well, the local INR varies because trade-ins will matter. Stay tuned for more awe-dropping updates exclusively on AIM Network. So basically, Apple's awe-dropping isn't about saying AI the loudest. It's actually about phones that run hotter tasks cooler, earbuds that translate life in real time, and a launch built in India, sold to the world. We are rolling straight into hands on the moment the stream ends.